friends, today I am going to make a simple light which we can control through a remote. Let's start. First we need a piece of cardboard, a insulating tape, a piece of wire, 2 into 6 piece LEDs, green, red and blue, RGB controller remote. This is the main RGB control. A scissor and a 12 volt AC to DC converter. Now let's start. First take the cardboard and take the red LEDs and put out the tape. In a cardboard you can see a hole. You have to put this extra wire in the hole. And have to paste the light like this. Now I will make these two lights also. Put out the tape. The green light has also connected. Now turn to blue light. Now I have pasted all the 3 LEDs. Now I will connect this with a wire. A piece of wire. You have to fix the wire with the insulating tape. Now fix the all wire with insulating tape. Now friends, can you see this face? You have to connect this face with the main RGB controller. Now connect the 12 volt adapter with in this pin. Now I have to give the electric supply. Now friends, as you can see, the light is glowing, and this is the remote. I will control this light with this remote. In this remote I will press red. Now see, only red light is glowing. If I press the green one, only green is glow, and if I press the blue one, the blue will glow, and I can set them in a random order. Look, I can also control the speed. And also can increase the speed. Here I have many types of randomized orders. This is a different type of order. See how the light is changing. Thank you friends.